All right, so now we have a part that we've got a lot going on in it. So the main view, probably gonna be this one with the overall L shape. And then I need to see it from both the top so I can see this cut off. And I need to see it from the side so I can see this cut off here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this main one. So it's gonna be 2 on the base and then another 3 going up, so that's 5 total. The height, I'm gonna start it down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's gonna come out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go up the 2, go over the 1. And there's my overall shape of this thing. And it doesn't matter which view I want to do next. I'm gonna have to do them both anyways, but I'm gonna start with the side view. So project over there. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I know that's gonna come up, not all the way. So it's gonna come up to here, so that was the 2. Lined up with here. And then it comes up 1 more. So, but here it comes across, and then it goes up 1 more. Then from here it goes over 1, and then those 2 connect. There we go. Those connect there. And now I have this view complete. Now it's time to set my miter line. So I'm gonna come up a little bit. Create that 45. Project my points up to that. Project across. And project up. So I know this side here, it is solid all the way down. And back. Ah. Solid across there. And this front edge comes all the way across there. And then it's going to go forward 2. Or back 2. And this line is going to be, if this went out here, that'd be 1 over. I'm going to come 1 over from here and connect those. And then go back there. So I just made a new corner that I didn't have before. So I need to project that back down to here. And because that's on the back side of the part, it's going to become hidden down here. And then I also need to project this corner here back and down this way here. And because it is on that side, it will be visible right there. So now this part is complete. I can double check. I have this face here, there, a square and a rectangle, square, rectangle. I have this face here, got it. Got this one, got it. Oh, this corner doesn't have a projection line coming this way. So I need to do that. come back over here and looking at the part that's on the back side again. So that's going to be another hidden line. Get that line in there. And now we're complete. So once again, always double check and make sure you're checking all your faces, make sure they match, making sure that all of your corners or vertexes are projected to the other views.